Hey, my skincare enthusiasts! It's your girl Playlist Cover, back with another video. And today, we're diving deep into the world of natural skincare. Natural remedies have been used for generations to achieve healthy, glowing skin, and today, I'm sharing 7 of my absolute favorites with you. Get ready to transform your skincare routine with powerful ingredients you can probably find right in your kitchen. We're talking aloe vera, honey, turmeric, and so much more. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to flawless skin using the power of nature, keep on watching. Let's kick things off with a skincare superstar, aloe vera. This plant is a must-have, and I bet you've even seen it in your grandma's garden. Aloe vera is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture to the skin. It's also incredibly soothing and anti-inflammatory, making it a godsend for sensitive skin or after a long day in the sun. Apply it directly from the plant or look for a pure aloe vera gel. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Next up, we're drizzling into the golden goodness of honey. Raw honey is a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent, perfect for those battling breakouts. Honey is also incredibly hydrating and helps to lock in moisture. You can use it as a face mask, spot treatment, or even add a dollop to your regular cleanser for an extra boost of hydration. Just be sure to use raw, unprocessed honey for the best results. Your skin will be glowing like, well, honey. Let's spice things up with turmeric. This vibrant spice isn't just for cooking. It's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that can work wonders for your skin. Turmeric can help even out skin tone, reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, and even calm down acne. You can create a simple face mask by mixing turmeric with yogurt or honey. Just remember, a little goes a long way, and it can temporarily stain your skin yellow. But trust me, the results are worth it. Now let's talk about coconut oil, a true multitasker in the world of skincare. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing and can help strengthen your skin's natural barrier. It can be used as a makeup remover, a body moisturizer, or even a hair mask. However, coconut oil can be comedogenic for some people, meaning it might clog pores. If you have acne-prone skin, it's best to do a patch test before applying it all over your face. But for many, coconut oil is a skincare savior. Calling all tea lovers. Green tea isn't just a delicious beverage, it's also amazing for your skin. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which help protect your skin from environmental damage. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe redness and irritation. You can brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and use it as a toner, or even freeze it into ice cubes for a refreshing facial massage. Cheers to happy, healthy skin! Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast anymore. This pantry staple is incredibly soothing and can benefit those with dry, itchy, or sensitive skin. Oatmeal contains compounds called avenanthramides, which have anti-inflammatory effects. You can grind rolled oats into a fine powder and add water or milk to create a gentle face mask. It's like a warm hug for your skin, and many people swear by its calming and nourishing properties. Last but not least, let's talk about rosewater, a luxurious treat for your skin. Rosewater is known for its hydrating, soothing, and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help balance your skin's pH level, reduce redness, and give you that beautiful, dewy glow. You can use rosewater as a toner, a facial mist, or even add it to your bath for a touch of luxury. Your skin will feel refreshed, revitalized, and oh so soft. And there you have it, skincare enthusiasts. 7 incredible natural remedies that can transform your skin. Which one are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, beautiful skin starts with taking care of yourself, both inside and out. Until next time, stay glowing.